Jay making movies. Jay making movies. Swap it out, sing, don't shoot it. Soft with the drip, that's the truth. Jordan one's possible.
Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Let's make a movie.
Jay making movies.
Rock money enough. Ascolta.
Yeah. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Got the people's eye, yeah, I keep that fire. Better watch me now, the heat I'm popping now. If that lace ain't popping out, then I'ma swap it out. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy.
Fam on
Jay the sneaker guy.
what's good? It's your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy here, man. I told y'all, movies is on the way, man. Today, I do have the detailed review and on feed of the Jordan 8 Aquas. Yes, man. Finally got Aquas back, and I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Just straight out flat, I'm gonna let y'all know this is one of my favorite Aquas to retro in the past few retros. A lot of people do like the 2007. 2006, somewhere around there. They like that pair best, and to me, I think that this one is the best in my opinion. The shape, the way that they did it, you know what I'm saying? Like, we all know, of course, the OG pair did have the sprinkling, the glitter effect all over the midsole, but I wasn't too big of a fan of that, y'all. I like how on this pair, it does have a minimalistic look on the glitter, all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna talk to y'all about that here in this video, give y'all some more details and some pointers on why I think that this is the best one that has released so far. But before I get into that, man, if this is your first time stopping through, rocking out with your boy Jay and the fam, I would love for you to stick around, join us over here, hit that subscribe button, be a part of the family, y'all. We are continuing to grow daily. We recently hit 200K, and we're like at 200,000 and like a couple hundred already, man. So the family is growing on a daily basis, man. So always salute to y'all. Big shout out to the OGs, everyone who comes in and leaves an immediate thumbs up and hits the comment section up, man. I appreciate y'all more than y'all know, man. But in this video, I need your feedback. I need y'all to let me know which lace swap was hitting. Which one was your favorite lace swap, as well as which sock and lace combo did y'all like the best? You know what I'm saying? Let me know down below in the comment section. Of course, this is an OG shoe. It really didn't need the lace swap, but we do things different over here, man. We got to keep the lace swaps going because a lot of y'all tell me that y'all came to the channel simply for the lace swaps. And if you are one of those, man, comment down below here for the lace swaps. You know what I'm saying? I do it for y'all. But yes, outside of that, before we dive into it, I got to get y'all fly, of course, with your Jordan 8s, man. So if you did pick up any Jordan 8s recently or plan to pick up a pair of Jordan 8s, it is a must you stop by Outrank Brand, y'all. Outrank Brand is taken over by a storm, y'all. There is no one that compares to the way that they have the perfect colors to match with the shoes, and bro, it have your swag on 10, y'all. But the t-shirt that I am wearing is the We Don't Miss t-shirt, and that is an understatement, y'all, because they don't miss when it comes to the tees. It is a perfect match to go with your Jordan 8 Aquas, or you can rock them with Jordan 5 Grapes. Like, I mean, you can mix and match them with tons of shoes that you might have in your collection, y'all. But this shirt is specified, of course, for the Jordan 8 Aquas, and it is exclusively made to online orders, y'all. So if you guys want to get that tee, you guys do got to go to outrankbrand.com. I do have it linked down below in the description, man. So take advantage of that before they do sell out, y'all. The perk that you do get with that, y'all, I do have a discount code, JayTheSneakerGuy. You can use that at checkout, and it will save you a little bit off your order, man. So definitely tap into Outrank Brand. Head over there before they sell out because they have been blowing up, y'all. A lot of people have been jumping on board, and the items that are online are exclusive. So once they sell out, they're gone, man. And I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm a fan of limited items because I don't like everyone rocking the same clothes that I'm rocking, man. So if you want to be the one that stands out, make sure you check out Outrank Brand. I do have it linked down below, as I said. Do that and save you some bread with promo code JayTheSneakerGuy. But moving on, outside of that, y'all, let me show y'all the shoe of the day, y'all. Aqua 8 is back. The shape, the look. Oh yeah, I'm here for it. Bang, y'all. So the Jordan 8 Aquas, y'all, officially returning July 19th, 2025, y'all. Retail on these will be set at $215. Now, Nike and Jordan Brand is inching up that price, y'all. It is just a $5 increase, but I told y'all before, man, them fives on top of fives get to adding up, you know what I'm saying? So, are y'all here for the $5 price increase? I know you can't be here for it, but,
nope.
Does it bother you, should I say? You know what I'm saying? Is it a deal breaker? It might be when it comes to certain shoes, but, Aqua 8s for $215. You know your boy Jay had to have a pair, man. Now, is this double up worthy in my opinion? No, because I don't really wear 8s too much, you know what I'm saying? But this is an OG colorway that I did want to get back in the collection. Your boy Jay had these, I want to say, what, 2016? Was that the last time these released? It might have been 2016, but I did have that pair. I ended up getting rid of it. I'm going to try to find an old picture of me rocking my pair, man. And if I do find the picture, you can see in that picture, it was during the wintertime. And y'all, I got a fire Atlanta Hawks beanie that I was rocking with it, and I was gonna rock it with this video, but it's a little bit too hot, y'all. My head would have been just drenching while I was just speaking to y'all, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna show it to y'all. Bang, y'all. This right here, man. Take a look at this. This was on the New Era site, I want to say back in 2016, y'all. Like, a lot of these items that they made to match things, they don't do it like this anymore, y'all. So I know if I were to wear this in 2025, a lot of y'all be like, Jay, where did you get that from? You gatekeeping, bro. I know you just picked that up. Bruh, I got a lot of vintage items, y'all. When I tell y'all, I've been doing this for years, man. From my socks to, like, that's me. I'm original to that. That's why I have a lot of things that people cannot find, y'all. So it ain't no faking in my rap, ain't no capping in my rap, you know what I'm saying? Like, but yeah, if I do have locations of where you can get items, I will never gatekeep. It's just a lot of the things that I have, you just can't find them no more, man. But on the note of this, y'all, I do have a pair of socks that match, man. Those socks released back with the Aquas in 2016. They don't drop socks like that anymore. I don't know why they don't come out with socks to match shoes upon releases. Maybe Nike and Jordan Brand will eventually do it, but as of right now, bro, we just getting just the jump man on the socks. Very mediocre stuff. But Jordan Brand, please give us some socks to match our kicks again. We all want that, man. Comment down below if y'all want to see some more socks come back, some creative socks to say come back, man. But yes, man, your boy Jay was out filming this video, the movie, you know what I'm saying? And there was nothing that made, of course, my filming smoother or it couldn't have went any better, y'all, than with the things that I prepared to go out there with, y'all. And let me show you what I brought, man. Ooh, bang! My good old Soul Premise bag, y'all. Now, I tell y'all time and time again, now, we are in July of 2025. If you don't own a duffel bag, if you don't own a daily commuter, if you don't own an XL bag, you are missing out, y'all. Soul Premise is the only way, the best way to travel, man. It makes just your daily moving around and it makes it so much smoother, y'all, man. This bag right here holds a lot of different things. Look at the storage area on the top. Of course, your boy Jay has it set up like this. Of course, it does come customizable where you can put dividers in here and customize it to your liking. I do have one small area over here. I normally put my one pair of shoes, and then as you can see, I got all my camera equipment right there in the middle. I can put my laptop back here if I'm traveling. A lot of space in this bag, y'all, and this bag has not yet hit retailers yet, but once these hit retailers, I know it's gonna go crazy, y'all, man. In my local area, the daily commuters hit the retailers and they flew off shelves. They are sold out in my area. You cannot get Soul Premise bags at my local Hibbits anymore. I try to tell y'all, one of them things, like when you see them in hand and you be like, bruh, yeah, it's gonna make you buy them, y'all. And they didn't even get that Jay the Sneaker Guy discount in store. They had to pay full price, $150, but you can get almost half off with the link down below in the description. Now, like I said, y'all, I've been preaching it for a while. If you ain't got one, you solely missing out, man. Grab your Soul Premise bag today. Comment down below or comment in a future video how you are liking your bag. Like I said, man, I will take the heat if you don't like your bag. That's how much I know you'll like your Soul Premise bag. But different colors, different shapes, different sizes, they have a bag for you over at Soul Premise. Make sure you check it out. The link is down below in the description. What are you waiting for, man? But Aqua 8s, man, let's go ahead and get back to them, starting with the box. So taking a look at the box, we got that OG style box. Jordan 9s, Jordan 8s, Jordan 10s, even Jordan 11s do come in this box. I've even seen Jordan 7s, y'all. So this is a very widely ranged box. You know what I'm saying? A lot of different silhouettes come in this box, but black top, gray bottom. You've seen one, you've seen them all. Size tag on this one reads Air Jordan 8 retro color blocking is black TRRD trail red. Flint gray, bright Concord, man. So quite a few different colors when it does come to, of course, the color pattern on the Jordan 8 Aquas. This is a size 9. Now, when it comes to sizing on these Jordan 8s, y'all, your boy Jay, I normally go true to size on all my shoes. The Jordan 8s, in my opinion, they run slightly big. That's just my opinion. I would still say stick to true to size because I would hate for you to get a pair half size down and they hurt your feet, you know what I'm saying? But for me, you know, my usual fitting, and I'm normally a snug fitting type of shoe wearing person because I loose lace all my shoes. I don't tie anything. My shoes are loose, you know what I'm saying? I ain't running from nothing. Because if I run, my shoes gonna slip off my feet. But anyways, I would say go true to size. You will be okay. But if you guys want to have a snug, a nice, good fit, you know, go half size down. That is my word. But just on the safe side, go true to size. But like I said, if you want that snug fit, half size won't hurt. But popping open the box lid on this one, you got the regular Jordan 8 style interior. You got the white top box lid. You have your black Glad bag paper on the inside, and you do get a white and green sticker inside the box, man. So that is pretty much it for the box contents of the Jordan 8 Aquas, man. Now with the box out the way, you got all that info, and you see my light, but you got all that info out the way, man. Let's go ahead and dive into the review of the Aqua 8s 2025. Starting with the outsole, as you can see, fire, man. Jordan 8s have one of the most dopest, creativest, you know what I'm saying, looks when it comes to just the designs on the shoe. You can look at it, it looks like art basil, you know what I'm saying? It looks like it has some nice art details all throughout the bottom. You got your teals, your purples, your yellows, your reds. You do got the bright red Jumpman right there at the top. Clean, 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 but who cares about the bottom? Moving up to the uppers, y'all, we gotta admire the shape, y'all. First thing first, man, it does have that nice, sleek, updated shape on this pair. Now, Jordan 8s are a bulky shoe no matter which way you put it, y'all. Like, I mean, they're a bulky shoe. They look better on smaller feet, but, you know, hey, it is what it is. It's just a bulky looking shoe, but it is, like I said, again, what it is. You do have the purple, of course, hits on the bottom, on the midsole area. Now, I was telling y'all earlier, they did limit the sparkles, y'all. No glitter. No glitter, or it's very minimalistic, y'all. The glitter effect on the purple midsole, very minimalistic. It has, of course, that metallic purple type of look to it, mixed in with a little bit of teal, you know what I'm saying, a little bit of black. You do have that on the back part right here, man. Very, very clean pair, man. Fan of this in particular Jordan 8. But moving up above the midsole area, we do get the uppers, which is a black nubuck. Now, one gripe I do have about the black uppers is it could have been a little more jet black. If I recall, y'all, I want to say the playoff 8s that released a couple years ago was more of a jet black than this pair, but I can't confirm, and I should have really pulled out my pair of playoffs, but we're gonna let it sit where it's at for now. But this right here could have definitely been a little more darker black. And don't let my lighting fool you, y'all, because it is under, of course, a ring light, so it is exposing the darkness, so it's looking a little grayer than it would usually look in like natural sunlight. But I think it could have went a shade darker. But with that being said, y'all, with it being such a light, or not such a, but more of a charcoal type of black, you can see a lot of the gray scuffs and just different things. Like, you're gonna get lint and all types of different fuzzies on this shoe just because of the in particular material that is on this shoe, man. So just beware of that, you know what I'm saying? And I think that would have set this shoe off more if they gave it that right black color. But we got what we got, man. But front of the shoe, of course, the infamous Jordan 8 straps. You do have the webbed up 2-3. And when you normally get them, of course, out the box, this will be strapped up. Your boy Jay, I just don't like my shoes being choked, you know what I'm saying? My shoes come out the box like that's how the shoes come out the box, you know what I'm saying? So we gotta loosen them up off rip, you know. But rock them how you like. If you want them tight, you rock them tight. If not, loosen them up. But you do got the strap on there. Back half of the shoe, y'all, you do got the gray back area, and a lot of people said that this gray was too light, y'all. And it's a mixture, y'all. It's a mixture of course, the retros and the OG. I don't want to say it's spot on to the OG. I don't want to say it's spot on to a retro that we seen, but it's like a mixture of both. It might be closer to the OG, man. And a lot of people say they don't like how light that dark is, or the gray is on the back, you know, but it is what it is. Like I said, man, we just got to take in and accept what we're getting for the moment, y'all. We can't say the what ifs because that's not what we're getting. But taking a look at the back, of course, we got more of the purple, the teal. You do got the black circle up here on the top around the ankle collar. You got the Air Jordan written on the strap, man. A nice little hidden detail. Air Jordan written on the strap right there. Same thing on the outside area. But that is pretty much the outside front. You got, of course, the gray lining going around, of course. The lace area, I think that's a dope touch, man. Like the gray hits on this shoe brings it out a lot. You know what I'm saying? But laces, black laces, no extra laces outside of black come with this shoe. You do have one of my favorite hits on the Jordan 8s, the tongue, y'all. That colorful tongue, I think that is dope. They have that on these, and is that the only shoe that has this type of colorful tongue? I want to say yes. You know, Bugs Bunny 8s got another dope tongue on it. It's the same way, but just the colors, you know, the way the colors mesh up, I think that's a dope look. But outside of that, man, interior, you do have, of course, the pull tab so that you can get your foot into that, of course, glove looking like area, y'all. So it does have a glove type of fit inside of it. So you just stick your finger through the loop, put your fingers in there, and inside the shoe we got more of that graphic, of course, the colorful inside. As you can see, you do got that art basel look, and you got a side sticker in there as well. So that is your insole. Now, manufacturer's date on the Jordan 8 Aquas is from January through April of this year, y'all. So that might be the reason why we did not see these so early, man. I was wondering, y'all. A lot of people ask me where them Aqua 8s at, y'all. Aqua 8s didn't pop up till late, and it might be because of, you know, the delay in production and with shipping things, the tariffs, just things might have just been sitting in the warehouse overseas or somewhere, and we recently got these, y'all. Like within the last month and a half, 2 months, we just seen first looks of the Aqua 8s. But they are here, officially releasing on July 19th, 2/15, full family size run. Let me know, are you copping a pair? Definitely a cop for your boy Jay. I was having seller's remorse throughout the time from, you know, me selling my 2016 pair, but I actually like this one better, so I'm glad I was able to get my hands on these. But y'all let me know, cop pass. I told y'all these will sit, but they will dry up quick, y'all, because back to school and you know, it's an all black shoe that's not really a bad looking shoe, you know. So that is pretty much it, man. Make sure you guys stop by Soul Premise, stop by Outrank Brand before items sell out. But that is it. Your boy Jay is checking out with the Aqua 8s. Movies ain't going nowhere. Let's go ahead and continue it. Let's throw these on feet. Let's swap them out. Y'all let me know your favorite lace swap and sock combo down below in the comment section. Outside of that, I'm gone. Y'all stay blessed. We out, y'all.
Jay and Robert vibe, yeah. Poppin', we outside, yeah. Shout out to the tribe, yeah. Family down the ride, yeah. Can't receive this heat on repeat, cause we on fire, yeah. Flies in the building, baby, you ain't never lied, yeah. Jay and Robert vibe, yeah. Poppin', we outside, yeah. Shout out to the tribe, yeah. Family down the ride, yeah. Can't receive this heat on repeat, cause we on fire, yeah. Flies in the building, baby, you ain't never lied, yeah. I puff like kicks on me and puff like kicks on what I'm driving. Better tell them roll the carpet out, cause we arriving. About to switch the drip and put some wings on my eyelids. Cause I stay so fly, I'm taking flight, I'm talking private. Jay a cool guy, but his kicks on foes. Flavor 101, don't try, it won't go. These are those, 1, 2, 3's are foes. We can drip it all if you woke, don't doze. Jay and Robert vibe, yeah. Poppin', we outside, yeah. Shout out to the tribe, yeah. Family down the ride, yeah. Can't receive this heat on repeat, cause we on fire, yeah. Flies in the building, baby, you ain't never lied, yeah. Jay and Robert vibe, yeah. Poppin', we outside, yeah. Shout out to the tribe, yeah. Family down the ride, yeah. Can't receive this heat on repeat, cause we on fire, yeah. Flies in the building, baby, you ain't never lied, yeah. vibe, yeah. Poppin', we outside, yeah. Shout out to the tribe, yeah. Family down the ride, yeah. Can't receive this heat on repeat, cause we on fire, yeah. Flies in the building, baby, you ain't never lie, yeah. Jay and Robert vibe, yeah. Poppin', we outside, yeah. Shout out to the tribe, yeah. Family down the ride, yeah. Can't receive this heat on repeat, cause we on fire, yeah. Flies in the building, baby, you ain't never lie, yeah.